Hello, it's Jo from the Dandelion Bakery and I have a festive top tip for you. Now, it's about this time of year that if you've made your Christmas cake at home, you will probably have already baked it and you'll be going through the feeding process. Now, feeding a Christmas cake is so important because that's how it gets a decent chunk of its flavour and a lot of its moisture. So getting it right is absolutely key. If you have had Dandelion Bakery Christmas cake, you will know that it's very carefully fed and matured, and I feed it with a mix of spiced rum and alcoholic ginger beer. But my top tip for you today is, if you are feeding your Christmas cake, get yourself one of these. This is a spray bottle. It's full of spiced rum and alcoholic ginger beer at the moment, and use it to spray the alcohol onto your cake. I've seen people with cocktail sticks and teaspoons, and even people sort of, injecting cakes with alcohol. This is by far the most consistent and easy way to get your feeding done. It's quick, it's easy, and it will cover the whole cake. You can spray both sides of the cake in one go. You can get around the edges of the cake so it's nice and moist all the way around. Feed your cake, so give it a good spray and then turn it over. Rewrap it, pop it back in the cupboard for a week, feed it again, and every time you feed it, turn that cake over. That will mean that when the cake is ready and it's mature, you will have a nice flat level cake. Perfect if you want to ice it, and it just looks really good if you're cutting it and serving it uniced. So, my festive top tip, get yourself a spray bottle, fill it with alcohol and get spraying it on your cake. And that way, if all else goes wrong, if your cake ends up absolutely rubbish, you can just spray this straight into your mouth and it will all go away. There'll be no problems anymore, I promise. That's my festive top tip. Buy a spray bottle. Have a lovely Christmas.